Hey guys, my wife wants me to cook dinner tonight. I'm gonna surprise her with a dish from her country. She's from the Philippines. I already went to the store, got the supplies. Let's see if an American can actually cook Filipino food. Let's do it. So what I'm making is a Filipino dish called Bistek Tagalog. And bistek is a word derived from the English word of beefsteak. In Spanish, it's spelled B-I-S-T-E-C. And in Tagalog, which is Filipino language, it's B-I-S-T-E-K. So the recipe calls for 2 pounds of beef. I'm just under 2 pounds. I'm gonna thinly slice it in just a moment. We're gonna add some dark soy sauce, some black pepper, lemon, some garlic, and some onions, all for the marinade mix I'll put in the bowl. Cook or chop things, I usually like to use my cleaver. It's sharp. I love using it for everything. A lot of cooks use this knife. It's not my favorite, but this is my first time making a little vlog about cooking. If it doesn't work out, I'll make horror movies. I'll call it Leave It to Cleaver. You get it? It was a TV show in the 60s called Leave It to Beaver.
Two hours later.
So it says take out of the refrigerator after a couple hours, stir the marinade, and then put it back in for another hour. So let me stir it my own way.
1 hour later.
So some recipes call for garlic to be put into it at this stage. Some say put it in with the marinade. I put it in with the marinade. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick the marinated steak right into the pan. Oh my goodness. Like a volcano eruption here. Okay, so now I got it browned. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna cover it for about 30 minutes or when it's tender. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Check how tender it is. Looks good. It's a little tender. A little bit more. It calls for about a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. And then real quick. And a bouillon cube, beef bouillon cube or beef broth. My bouillon cubes are a little big, and then put half of one. See if I can break it real quick. Maybe a little bit more, but that's cooking. There's no set recipe with cooking. And I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce. And I'll cover it and let it simmer some more. Now I'm going to add the onions. I already got them chopped up as you saw earlier. There can never be enough onions. Okay, so I got the beef done with the onions, which I would say bistek, and we've got the rice. Can't have Asian food without rice. So now I need the Asian lady. So let me call my wife. When it's time for dinner, I'll ring the dinner bell. Honey, time for dinner. Honey, dinner's ready. Dinner is served.
Wow! Beef bistek.
It's Bistek Tagalog, your favorite. It is your
Yeah.
favorite, right? I made it especially for you, so let's see how I did.
Let's see. Smells good. My favorite. Try if it's good. The rice is a little hard.
Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Dinner is served. Just try it and tell me what you think. Well, how does it compare?
It's good and it's tender, which I like it so much. Very tender.
It's a little salty to me. It needs hot sauce.
Salty is good with the rice.
Thank you.
So I guess an American can cook Filipino food almost as good. So until next time,
Thanks for watching. Peace out. Like,
subscribe.
click the bell, please.